Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO A16, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this phone. So if you haven't ever used this before, it's quite simple. All you need to do is pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So for me, it's nowhere to be found again. So all you need to do in this case is tap on this little square with like a pen in it, and find it somewhere in here, which are the disabled toggles. So you have super power saving mode in here that I can see, and just a normal power saving mode. You can add both of them or just one, it's completely up to you. The difference between those, super power saving mode basically makes your phone into a almost a smartwatch kind of functionality, giving you only the option to call, message, and that's about it. You don't even get the wallpaper. No, that's already consuming too much battery. It is the basically a pinnacle of battery saving by saving you from enjoying your phone. And then we have the actual power saving mode, which saves power, not by much, but still retains the whole concept of a smartphone. So I'm gonna add the super power saving mode because it's just more fun. Anyway, once we go back, once enabled, it extends the battery by apparently quite a lot because it gives me about over close to 2 days of battery life. But as you can see, there we go, that's my home screen. No wallpaper, we have clock, messages, and phone. Now we can add other apps, so we could utilize browser as an example. But there we go, it's all in dark mode, it's all clunky, and it's all designed just to save as much power as it can. So if you want to leave this mode, all you need to do is click right here on this exit button and exit power saving mode, the red text, and this goes back to the normal one. Obviously you can also add the power saving mode, which does everything that the super power saving mode does, but just a little bit less obnoxiously. So it will, for instance, disable Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not used. It lowers the brightness instead of completely changing it to no background, to give you black background, so it tries to preserve as much, and so on. So it's more of a balanced way, but again, with such a balance you get a little bit less power saving involvement in there. So anyway, that is how you would enable it, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.